Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is a quick little Dollar General. I don't know the name because I don't have these in California. I don't think we do. But anyway, a little Halloween haul. So I grabbed a little like bag of these little skeleton heads. They're made of plastic. They were only $1. So I got them because I do want to make a little project with those and this, if you can guess. These are little mason jars, craft jars. They're plastic. Great for organization. Yes, they are. Yes, they are. So I picked up 2 of those, and then I picked up some of these little felt stickers that have little ghosty faces on them. I picked up 2 of those as well, and then I'll insert some footage of some of the other stuff I saw. So they had these cute little wood word shapes. So this said beware, these were $1. They had, sorry, I'm like not really in sight, spooky, and then they had scary as well. Little orange, white. Here's another little wood sign. They stand up on their own. Then here's this one, trick or treat with the polka dot, super cute. Then they had mason jars. You know, Dollar Tree has these as well, but I did see orange ones, and I don't think they have orange at Dollar Tree. Gauze, some shot glasses, these little like puffy, squishy animal things, different little characters. Then they just had some paper straws in orange and in black. This was like a big extra large drawstring bag. They had this pumpkin one and then like that cat one. Those were $3. They had super cute like tablecloths. I was trying to think if I could sew any of these like you guys have been sewing. Look at that cute cat, vintage cat looking one. They had these little baggies with like the sugar skull, and then these ones were dogs in like costumes. I guess that'll go with the Joann's paper pad. Again, these had like little dogs and stuff on them, and then the sugar skull style. Then look at these little army guys, but they're skeletons. Little felt garlands, $1. The sugar skull garland version. Then they had these like puffy felt filled ones. These are little orange pumpkins. Then they had these little bats with the googly eyes and bows. And then they had the skull version as well, but they do have dimension. It's not just flat. Like I think there might be some plush fluff in there. Only $2. Then they had some pumpkin stickers with googly eyes, and then they also had the white ghosty stickers is what I hauled. And then they had some of those skull bags, and then they also had the pumpkin version. I'm like dropping these, fumbling, little pumpkins with the smiley face. Then they had some like little glow LED like light up things for the table, pumpkins that look like Groot but evil. Then they had these little shakers boxes, $3. This one's a little witch one, my welcome my pretties. Then they had some Christmas stuff, these ornaments, super cute for, I mean, $1. They were pretty thick and sturdy and good quality. They're just barely putting out Christmas stuff, but you could tell they're gonna get a lot. Look at that cute Merry Christmas one up top, and then 2 more, and that was all that I saw for like cute Christmas coming out.